Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Mason. As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt today, so that means I'm not too cold. Can't wait to be done with this video so I can go put on a jacket. But yeah, I just want to announce my workshop, which is going to be in Toronto on the 24th of April, so 24th of this month. I'm going to be having a photography and retouching workshop. So if you've ever wanted to learn how I shoot or learn, my retouching one-on-one, like in real time with me, then this is an opportunity for you to do that if you're in Canada, or most specifically if you're in Toronto. So yes, it's going to be really amazing. Now you have the opportunity of taking either the photography, that's the studio photography workshop, where we are going to go into lighting, camera gear, what you need, what you do not really need, just really talk about photography, and you can see like my process from the beginning to the end. And then we're going to have the retouching session, which is just going to be about retouching, capture one, Photoshop, beauty retouching, portrait retouching. We're going to go over the images that we've shot and retouch those images. So yes, so the workshop is broken down into two, or you can sign up for the workshop as a whole. It just really depends on what you want to learn. But left to me, I'd say sign up for the workshop as a whole, because it's cheaper that way, and then you get to learn a lot. Now, another amazing thing about this workshop is if you sign up for the workshop as a whole, or if you sign up for the retouching part of this workshop, you're going to get access to my beauty retouching masterclass, which is just amazing. Now, my thought process is, I understand that you can see in real time, you can learn everything in real time, but at the end of the day, when you get home, you might forget some certain things. So I'm going to be giving you access to retouching masterclass. That way, whatever you've learned in the workshop, you really do not forget about it, because it's harder remembering retouching than remembering light setups and all that, because you can just take pictures of those, but when it comes to retouching, it's harder. So that's why I'm giving people this opportunity. I don't see a lot of photographers do this, but I want to do it for you guys because I'm really excited. This is going to be amazing. So like I said, on the 24th of April, I'm going to be having the workshop in Toronto. I'm really excited. This is like my first international workshop, so it is so amazing to be able to do this. And I want to use this opportunity to thank everybody that supported me from the beginning to this point. This is just amazing. This is like my first international workshop, so it's really good. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody that's going to come through for this workshop in Toronto. I'm excited. I'm really excited to meet you guys, so I can't wait. If you want to be a part of this workshop, the link is in the description below. Just go sign up for this workshop, and I really cannot wait to meet you guys. Like I really can't. And this is going to be amazing. I'm going to make sure that you leave this workshop with as much information, and I'll not just say information, with as much knowledge that you properly need to take your photography business when it comes to like the quality of your images, from shooting to retouching, take it from where it is to a whole new level. So I'm really looking forward to this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would love to be a part of this, like I said, click the link in the description below and go register. Oh, did I say the first 5 people get a discount? So the first 5 people to register for the full workshop get a discount. So if you're one of the first 5 people, thumbs up to you. Link is in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video, or I'll see you guys in Toronto on the 24th. It's funny. Take care, guys. Peace out.